Yes, baby. Sorry? You literally just finished breakfast. Hindi pa nga ubos. Finish your breakfast. A little bit more left. A little bit more. And then drink your milk. Do you want your milk, Carlo? Come here. You want milk? I'll give you milk when you go to your chair. Go to your chair. You can't drink milk on the couch. Go to your chair. Ayla, you can't drink milk on the couch. Mga anak ko na talaga ang gusto ng snack as in kakatapos lang. Hindi pa nga naubos yung ano nila, oh. Wait, Bits. Sinusubuan ko si Arlo, eh. Gusto ng snack. Lino ang manay niya doon. Doon na sa gabi. That's coffee. That's hot. It's hot. What do you do? What do you do when it's hot? You blow, blow. 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 Ang cute niya. May fireplace kahapon. Hindi ako nag-vlog kahapon pala, pero nagpunta kami sa kung saan nagsistay sila Manay kasi nandito sila for a day. And may fireplace doon na nakita ni Arlo, binublow niya. Yung fireplace. Ang laking apoy nun doon. Hindi mo yung blow. Ay! Ikaw, batang bail talaga. Blow, blow the coffee. Blow. That's right. Say good morning to the guys. May dugo pa to sa ilong, oh. Nasubsob sa kanyang water bottle kahapon. Naglalaro siya kagabi. Minom siya ng milk. Nasubsob. Ay, takbo ba na? Natumba. Nasubsob. Iyak. Iyak na naman. Tapos the night before that, nung Tuesday night, nasubsob din siya sa stairs nung naglalakad siya pa. Akyat. So, duguan din yung kanyang ano, lip naman. Lip naman yung tumama. Ito, ilong. Uy. Oh, that's a plant. You wanna blow the plant? Say good morning to the guys. Good morning! Happy Thursday! Say good morning! That's Mama's coffee. Morning, guys. Kape-kape. Kape-kape sa umaga. Speaking of kape, darating today ang ating coffee machine. So, diba nung Tuesday, kinancel nila yung order ko. Because I ordered it sa Meijer. Kinancel nila. And i-refund daw nila yung pera 3 to 5 business days. What do you want? Hoy, Ayla! Don't do that! Are you gonna drink your milk or are you just gonna play with it? No, no playing! Batang bail talaga. Hindi ininom. So yeah, Tuesday, kinancel. Tuesday ng mga noon, agad-agad, in-order ko siya, hinanap ko siya kung saan ako makaka-order ng ganun. Kasi nung nagpunta kami sa Good Guy, sabi ni Kuya, yung mga natira sa stores is mga display na lang kasi parang if-face out ata yung coffee machine or parang baka i-upgrade. I don't know. Basta, something's going on with the coffee machine. So, nung tiningnan ko siya sa DeLonghi website mismo, merong 4 stocks left. Mas mahal siya, $100 more. Pero iniisip ko, kapag kinuha ko siya sa mga website na like $100 less, baka yung makuha ko is yung display or even worse, baka i-cancel na naman yung order ko kasi wala na, ubos na. So, in-order ko na lang siya sa DeLonghi website mismo. In-order ko siya guys nung Tuesday. Ng hapon ko siguro na finalize yung order. Tuesday ng hapon. And it will arrive today. So, parang pina-express nila kasi sabi today daw yung delivery. So, we will have our coffee machine. I'm excited. So, kailangan kong i-check yung refund ng Meijer kasi 3 to 5 business days pa. Wala pa, hindi pa siya dumating na. Doble tuloy yung gastos natin dun. Pero okay lang naman, i-refund naman yan nila. Wala namang problema yan. But yeah, yung kape ko, konti na lang. May more than 10 kape pa ako. So, ubusin ko muna yun kasi sayang. It will give us time din para makabili ng coffee beans and mga stuff like that. Hi. You want mama? It's baby Moana. Alo loves it. Look at Alo.
Baby Moya.
Yeah, baby Moana. Alo, you love baby Moana?
Baby Moya.
Yeah, Alo likes baby Moana. His name is Alo. Yung lakas-lakas na niya magtanong, Ate, he's watching. Can you let him watch? Huh? Say, Moana, your hair is pretty. Huh? It's green, yeah. It's a green little stone, isn't it? Do you want to see Daddy Moana? Yeah, okay. There you go! Daddy Moana! Aww, baby Moana wants to go back to the water. Stop. Uh-oh. Again? I know. It's over now. Just wait, just wait. Ayaw nila ng ads. It's okay, it's okay. Look, 10 seconds left. Oh my gosh. Yan yung gustong-gusto nila pinapanood lately. Diba si Arlo sayaw-sayaw pa? Baby Moana. Yes, I'm watching, guys. Yeah. Baby and Daddy. Good dancing, Ala. Good dancing, guys. Let him watch. Let him watch. Aw, guys. Cheeky mom. What do you want? Pizza? You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me right now. Where's your pizza? Show me, come on. Show me. Come on, hold my hand and show me where it is. Where's the pizza? Show me. Where is it? Go, show me. Itong batang bael. Binigyan ko siyang wraps for lunch. Nakaubos siya ng isang whole wrap. Meron yung ano guys, avocado, ham, cheese, agoy. Nakaubos siya ng isang whole wrap. And then she asked for more. So ginawan ko siya na naman. And pabalik-balik siya sa akin. Hingi ng pizza, pero hindi naman kinain. Arlo will eat this later. Ikaw ha? Bagong gawa ko to. Kasi humingi siya. Ayun. Ito yung lunch ko. Inubos ko yung sandwich tins namin kasi mag-i-expire siya today. Dalawa yung kinain ko. Ito yung pangalawa. Well, hindi pa dalawa yung kinain ko. Ito yung pangalawa, hindi ko pa maubos-ubos. Because I'm very busog na. Yes? Arlo sleeping pala. Babe, you have to eat your pizza before you ask for more pizza. What's that? Oi. What's that? What's on your dress? Can you tell the guys what's on your dress? What is it? Pink dress? Nag-i-edit ako habang tulog si Arlo and masaya naman siya, busog siya. Wala pa din yung coffee machine. Excited na ako pero wala pa siya. Ang dami kong orders actually na hindi ko alam kung kailan darating yung iba. Ang alam ko lang is yung coffee machine darating today. Yan yung pinaka-last in order ko pero siya yung darating today. Siya na talaga. Nag-order kasi ako ng wall art para dyan sa taas ng buffet cabinet namin. And nag-order ako ng mirror. Nakita nyo naman yung door namin, diba? Malaki yung door namin. And malaki talaga yung entryway namin. Doon ko na lang ilalagay yung mirror. Floor mirror siya, pero i-attach namin siya sa wall. In order ko na yung mirror, it's 200 by 180 ata. So malaki talaga siya, guys. 200, 150 ba yung height ko? So 200 siya. And 180 yung width niya. So, malaki talaga siya na mirror. I'll do my thing there. Sabi ni Dan, ikaw na bahala dun. okay lang na hindi mo ako tanungin. So, ako bahala dun sa entryway natin. Kasi yung kapalit naman nun is, si Dan yung pipili ng wall art for our lounge. Kasi na-order na namin yung wall art para dito, diba? Yung sa lounge, hindi pa namin na-order yung sa movie room daw natin. Siya pa pipili. Hanggang ngayon, hindi siya makapili. Kung akala nyo ako yung difficult, hindi. Si Dan actually yung hindi niya alam kung ano yung gusto niya. So, kasi ang dami kong gusto eh. Ang dami ko, para sa akin, basta aesthetically good looking. Ay! That's our coffee machine! Let's go! It's here! Are you excited? Mama's really excited for this one. It's toys.
Yeah.
It's not toys, baby. Maybe it's Mama and Dada's toy. Yeah? What's that? Meron ding package na iniwan lang sa labas. Ano to? Wait sa. Ah! Nag-order ako ng Daddy Caddy na yung caddy ng Scrub Daddy. May time na ako ngayon magtitingin-tingin ng mga kailangan sa bahay, guys. Kasi hindi na ako nagla-live. Nag-stop na ako mag-live. Huh? Open the box. Alright.
Wow!
Wow, this is a Scrub Daddy. So you put the, remember the scrub for the dishes? You put it here, okay? So, it's not on your reach. It's happy! Para hindi abot ni Ayla yung scrub. Kasi alam niyo naman, pinaglalaroan niya yun. Tapos minsan squeeze niya. So, basa yung ibang parts ng bahay. That was quick. Hindi ito kumatok. Nilagay lang sa ilalim ng ano namin, na round. But that was quick. I ordered that. Sabi ko sa inyo, ang dami ko in-order lately. I ordered that like this week lang. And it's here! I know what's this.
It's mine.
It's yours.
Mushy.
What's inside?
Mushy.
Huh?
It's a mushy.
It's a mushy.
Yeah.
Yeah? What's mushy?
Open.
Open. Okay. Let's open, guys. Should we open it here or we should move it in the close to the kitchen? Alright? Do you want to help Mama push? Okay, help Mama push. That way. Ready?
Yeah.
Thank you for pushing. Siya lang nagpupush nito. Sobrang lakas, oh. Thank you, baby. Good pushing. Good pushing, baby. Well done. Push. You are so strong, my love. Such a strong girl. Yay. Well done, Bob. Perfect yung socks niya nagamit niya ngayon kasi may grip. What's inside? Let's check. Is baby crying?
Yeah.
Gising na si Arlo. What do you have there?
Babies.
It's baby's pizza.
Open.
Okay, I'll open. It's okay. Aw, don't cry. We're here. Here you go. Ate's got something for you. Look. Aw, you want Mama's hug? Alright, hug Mama. Careful, careful, careful. You okay?
Yeah.
You want sticker?
Sticker.
No No, we used it all already. No more sticker. We'll ask Daddy to buy more, okay? Show it to Arlo. Show it to Arlo. Hindi ko pa inopen yung box, guys. Kasi kanina pagdating niya, alam ko na maya-maya lang magigising si Arlo. So, maya na pag second nap niya, kapag nag-second nap siya, open natin yung box. Andun lang yung box. Oh. JJ, ang cute-cute niya. Sabi niya, JJ daw. Who's that, Arlo? Who's this one? How about this one? Who's that? Kanina pa siya, JJ. Tapos sayaw siya ng sayaw. Good job, Arlo. Mag-start na ako mag-prepare ng dinners. Ang daming dinners, ha? Start na ako mag-prepare ng dinner. Gagawain ko is yung parang, hindi siya chicken schnitzel, pero parang ganun na din. Parang katsu. Parang chicken katsu. I have chicken breast here na hinugasan ko na, dinry ko na, flinat ko na, i-tenderize ko siya. And lalagyan ko siya nito, yung butter na Korean. Tapos lalagyan ko ng konting gatas. Lalagyan natin ng breadcrumbs later, tapos ipa-fry natin. Diba? Ako na naman magpa-fry na naman. Naisip ko kung magpa-fry man lang tayo ngayon na, kasi bukas maglilinis si Kuya, linisin niya yung ating cooktop. So, lagyan ko yan ng ito. Tapos, pupukpukin na ito mga sis. Are they tickling? Tickle, tickle! Okay, can Arlo borrow that, please? Can Arlo borrow? Ayla? Here. Ayla? Arlo, this one? This one? Alright, ayan na siya, guys. Sinuko na siya. Diyan na lang muna yan ng matagal na panahon. It's only 4:08 ng hapon. Darating si Dan mga alas 5 pa. Or 5:30. Actually, 5:30. Yeah, i-quote ko pa siya kasi ng breadcrumbs. Wala akong breadcrumbs dito na gusto ko. Yung makakapal na breadcrumbs. Kids, come on. Share. Ayla, one each. Give him one. Ayla, here you go. Here you go, matey. Guys, 5:20 na ng gabi. Wala pa si Dan. Alas 6 daw siya darating. So, mamaya tayo makakapagluto. Wait. Gusto ko nang i-open yung box kasi si Arlo tulog. Dito tayo mag-open sa baba. Kasi mabigat siya, guys. Hindi ko siya ma-carry.
What's that, Mama?
It's a coffee machine, baby. Open.
What's that inside?
Knock, knock. Wow. What color is this?
Blue.
Blue. Well done, babe. Alright, ready? I don't want to break the box, but we have to take it out. Can you help Mama take it out?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's heavy, baby. Oh no. Do I have to break the box?
And Daddy's help.
We need Daddy's help.
I help.
Aw, you help. Thank you, baby. You are so
It's
good.
just heavy.
It's so heavy, I know.
Mommy.
You wanna help Mommy?
It's just dusty. It's yummy. It's
Papa,
yummy, Mama. It's yummy.
It's yummy.
Daddy's
Just slicing
help,
it.
Mama.
Yes, baby.
Daddy's help.
But Daddy's not home yet.
No.
I know.
Daddy's making mine too.
Oh, Daddy's making money too.
Let's
Slide it here. This way. Oh my gosh, this is heavy. There you go. Do you wanna go inside?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, princess. Where's my princess? Hello. Sweet. Are you being silly today?
Bye.
Alright.
Hello.
Hello. Alright, so we have to follow the instructions. Open and then get the 2 square thingy looking things and then that. Alright. Ooh.
Mommy, with the meat. Mommy, with the meat. Hey, it's fun. Mama.
Alright.
With the meat again.
Can you grab the box, princess? Can you grab the box? Help mama.
Okay.
Grab the box down. Hold the box. This one. Hold it. Hold it down.
Okay.
Thank you. Are you helping?
Yeah.
Hold it down. 1, 2. Thank you. Now we have 2 boxes. Let me just put this away, okay? Put it here, baby. Just wait. Put it here. There you go. And we have the coffee machine. Don't sit down, down. Hindi na nga to yung pinakamalaki, guys, pero malaki pa rin siya. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so big. Hala, ang laki nito. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya ilalagay. Either dito, or dyan, or dyan. Actually, kahit sa ang sulok pwede kasi meron kami PowerPoint sa bawat sulok ng pantry namin. Para mas prefer ko siya na siya yung nakikita agad kaysa yung toaster. So baka ilipat ko siya dun kasi right now, yung nandun is yung toaster. Ito yung itsura ng Butless pantry namin. And currently, nandyan yung toaster. So pwede ko siyang ilagay either dito, or dyan, or dyan, or dito. What are we gonna do, Ayla? Maya na natin super i-unboxing talaga yung ating coffee machine. Kasi apaka-satisfying nun. Anong mga laman nitong mga boxes na maliliit? Ito yung sa milk niya. Ito yung may black at saka white. So yung white pala is for cold recipes. Tapos ito yung black. And then we have a box here na comes with some siguro sa warranty itong iba. And like manual, ang dami. Daming mga paperwork. Parang cleaner siguro yan. Yeah, ayoko muna itong galawin itong mga to. Mamaya na. Kasi I need to cook rice. Sinisip ko sana may pa-free coffee beans para matry na natin agad-agad yung ating kape. Pero wala pa. Walang coffee beans, so hindi muna natin matatry ang ating kape. But we have a coffee machine! So this is it. We got the Eletta Explore. So it is an automatic, full automatic coffee machine. All you have to do is to press buttons. And I'm pretty sure you can connect this to your phone as well. You can personalize the way you want your coffee to be pressed. Something like that. Basta may mga sinabi si kuya na hindi ko pa masyadong alam because meron kaming coffee machine noon but it was just the Nespresso one. Yung pinaka-simple tapos lalagyan lang ng pods. Yun yung pinakaunang coffee machine namin. Dun pa sa old bahay namin. Tapos hindi naman kasi ako sobrang makape talaga. Ay no, makape ako guys. Nagkakape ako. Pero hindi ako maarte sa kape. I'm happy with 3-in-1 coffee. Alam nyo naman yan. Ito lang survive na ako. Pero si Dan, hindi siya ma 3-in-1 coffee. And yung pamilya ni Dan, mahilig din sa kape. Na kapag pumupunta sila sa bahay namin, hindi sila makainom ng kape. Kasi yung meron lang kami is yung 3-in-1. Meron kami nung Nespresso, nasira siya nung lumipat kami sa... Nasira siya nung, I think nasa lumang bahay pa kami, nasira na siya. Or we just stopped using it hanggang sa nasira siya. Hindi na lang namin siya ginamit. Kasi hindi naman ako nga magano ng kape. Si Dan yung mahilig sa ganyang kape. Hanggang sa nasira na siya kasi hindi namin siya nagamit ata. Tapos nung lumipat na kami sa rental house, no point na bumili ng coffee machine. Kasi lilipat naman kami sa like bagong bahay. Alam mo yun, like bagong bahay, bagong coffee machine. A year later, 1 year and a couple of months na tayo dito sa bahay. Ngayon lang tayo nagka-coffee machine. Hindi kasi siya priority. And ang daming hindi priority nung time na lumipat lumipat na kami dito because I was pregnant with Arlo and that was our main priority. To deliver Arlo safely. Yun yung pinaka top sa list namin. Kaya yung mga gamit sa bahay, like yung alam niyo naman, yung furniture, ganun-ganun, we left it to hanggang sa ready na ako. Daddy's home! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for my cracklings! What's in there, baby? Huh? Thank you, Daddy!
And the fish is in there. And I got Bicol as well.
A what?
Bicol?
Biko. Biko? Ay, thank you, my love! Oh my gosh, guys. Excited ako dito. Meron akong gagawin. Biko. I'll have Biko tonight.
Anna, we have ice cream.
What? Yummy. Say thank you.
That's nice.
Ay, nako.
You have
Bye-bye. Snake.
snakes. Whose are these? But whose are they?
Me.
Who's, are these mummies or daddies or Isla's? Okay. Pull me.
You're so lucky, Ayla. Alright, mushroom so I can start cooking.
Yeah.
Where's the mushroom, Dada?
There.
Alright.
Where's the fruit bowl?
Fruit bowl. Here. So, bumili lang sila ng prutas. And nagpunta siya na Filipino shop. Wait, kailangan lang natin gawin yung ating luto, guys, para makakain na tayo. Anong kids?
I got you some bananas.
Here you go. Dan will do the whole because I need to start
And
cooking.
I got Isla some grapes.
Apples.
Apples, sorry, not grapes, apples. My bad. So bananas and apples for little Isla. Yep, we'll just put it over there for now. And we have a fish. Do you want the fish?
Yeah.
Should we put it in the tank so it can swim?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll put it in the tank so it can swim. So I'll have put that in the freezer for it to frost again. Okay. What do we got? We've got some mama some crackling.
You got panko breadcrumbs?
Is that a Filipino breadcrumbs? Fish. Alright, so a couple packets of those. 1, 2, 3. We got some sky flakes. Where's Daddy's fish? Daddy's fish over there.
Aw, you got hiccups, baby. You okay? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You got the hiccups.
Alright, sky flakes, clover chips, some potato chips, more potato chips, soya sauce, and shrimp paste. Yummy? Yes. And some chicken seasoning. That's all from the Filipino shop. Okay? Yeah. Whoa!
Mommy fish?
Yeah.
Do you want to see Mommy's fish? It's already in the freezer, baby.
Daddy fish.
Daddy's fish.
Daddy fish. Isla fish. Isla fish.
That's my fish.
Over there, that's your fish here. Do you want to eat your fish? It's in the freezer, princess.
Daddy needs to clean the fish.
I hope you buy me.
Balloon? You popped the balloon?
Oh,
Where's your yellow balloon? Where's your yellow balloon?
there.
That's a red balloon, that's not yellow. You broke the yellow balloon.
Mommy, Daddy.
Ah, you make funny
Aw, she
noise.
said sorry, Dada.
Do you want Daddy to blow you up another one?
Yeah. No.
Here you go.
See,
Out there?
Daddy.
Okay. Okay, get down, say goodbye to everyone. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow. I'm smelly. I'm smelly. I'm smelly.
No, you're not.
I'm pretty.
I pee.
You're pretty. Gonna say I'm pretty.
I pee.
Mushroom.
It's mushrooms. Yummy.
Yummy. Where's baby?
Sleeping.
Sleeping? Why are you sleeping?
Boy.
Balloon?
Yeah.
Alright, you stay here. Do not move. Do not move your feet.
Yeah, dito pala.
Wait, a final time.
What do we got? What do we got, princess?
Boy is red.
Do you want another red balloon?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mama. Mama, diamond.
Okay, hold. Oh. Uh-oh, hold it. Ow! Okay, hold it. Now let it go. Oh.
Is that a Daisy?
Alright, let it go. There's your balloon.
What do you say?
The red bird.
Okay, calm down. Come, hold. There you go.
Mom.
Now, one's enough. One's enough for now.
My gosh, ang dami kong kailangan gawin. Lagay ko lang. So, sino ko na siya dito? Ito guys, eksperimento lang to ha. You're hungry? Mommy's doing her best. I'm being quick, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so ilalagay ko siya sa egg, tapos sa breadcrumbs, and then diretso sa oil.
We've got blueberry, banana, or strawberry. Blueberry, banana, or strawberry. Sorry?
Grapes?
No. Blueberry, banana, or strawberry. Blueberry?
Wow, baby, you are lucky.
Lucky girl.
Oh, shoot. So yung breadcrumbs, lalagyan ko nitong ano guys, crispy fry na garlic. Ito na talaga ang pinakamalasa sa lahat.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low. Now, if you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night.
Alright guys, we have 3 going. Gravy, chicken, and the mushroom is ready. Actually, ililipat ko na yung gravy dito maya-maya lang. Dito na yung tatlo. Lagay ko dyan kasi ilalagay ko siya sa oven ng 10 minutes para sure na it's cooked through. Kasi chinek ko siya. Medyo, actually, luto na yan guys. Luto na yan oh. Pero just to make sure lang. Alright, nasa oven na siya guys. It will be ready in 8 minutes. Try natin to. Merong konting natira. Alam ko luto na to kasi maliit lang siya nasa gilid. Kasi again, luto na din naman yung mga yun.
Here we go. That we go.
Sarap. Ay, gara.
Good.
Let me know. It's got a little bit of kick to it. I just used the Korean one. Here's our food. Yan yung akin. Ito yung kay Dan. Yan yung kay Ayla. Meron pang natirang chicken. Ito yung kay Arlo. And si Arlo ay gising na. Timing na timing ang bata, Bael. Alright, lagyan ko na to ng gravy with mushroom. Ngayon, kain na tayo. Good eating, Dodong. Yum, yum. Yeah. Good boy. Sus, timing ka talaga, Dong. Timing ka, nam-nam. Ayla? Nam-nam?
There's one more.
You want more? Do you want gravy? Okay, be careful, please. Oh, Daddy wants more gravy. Oh! Nam-nam? Alright, that's enough. Kain ako, guys. Magkakamay ako.
Yep.